Good morning, good afternoon, whenever you're watching this. Welcome to week 15. I hope you enjoyed gaming and entertainment last week. This week we're going to be focusing on meetings, conventions, and expositions. And actually the following week's material is a similar nature, where we talk about special events, so kind of building upon. But this particular week, I think what you'll need to do, or what we'll all need to do, is really think about this in terms of what it was in the past and what it might be in the future. Because as you know, meetings, conventions, and expositions have really ceased to exist in our current environment due to COVID-19. And so I believe in San Francisco, they've just booked the first convention that's going to be coming back to the city of San Francisco. And I believe, if I'm not mistaken, it was the last week of September, the first week of October. And so that'll be an exciting boost to our business. If you remember from the umbrella from the very beginning, you know, all of the sides of hospitality are really intertwined. And hotels, restaurants, airlines don't do nearly as well when there's not the reason for people to come and meet. And currently today, you see some of those hospitality environments surviving on leisure business. However, as soon as business travel comes back and meetings come back, that's when you'll really see the hospitality industry return. So this week we're going to focus on the reasons why people meet, and you know, really thinking about our industry. And you know, this is the area that's been hurt the most because of people not feeling comfortable to meet in person. You know, what Zoom has done, even in school, right, with this class and how we used to meet in person. So a lot to consider. I'm sitting in my office in the Ritz-Carlton San Francisco, which has just been open for a little over a week now. We just reopened, and the meeting space is not in use, although I think we have a 3-person meeting on Monday without any food and beverage because they want to conduct an interview. But, you know, we don't have any meeting business yet at all either. So there's a lot of our ladies and gentlemen that we're not able to recall until we get that business booked. And so hopefully people will feel confident so that we can begin seeing that part of the business come back. I look forward to answering any questions you might have about this topic and material. So meetings, conventions, and expositions is this week. And then the following week, we'll go a little bit further, deeper dive into special events. And actually, if you flip-flop those special events, I think will come back and give our industry a little bit more business before meetings and conventions. So little bit of a twist. It used to be that we relied on meetings and conventions and we fit a wedding in where we could. And now we're living and surviving on weddings and those kinds of special occasions. So I look forward to hearing your thoughts. I have office hours on Tuesday. And until then, have a great week.